and welcome to part 2 of the how to make a wig by hand like a pro. And from the last video, I am going to start where I left off. I am done sewing and making wig, and I am going to cut this last piece of thread. So as you guys can see, yes, look at the kinky straight. It is kinky hair. Kinky straight hair, so it has a little bit of a curl to it at the root and it gets a little bit straighter at the ends. I am now cutting the excess cap off from underneath my closure. Be very careful not to cut any of the thread because it will all come loose. So the excess cap is cut. Look how neat that looks. Look at my sewing. It is all neat, you guys. Like, being neat, I promise you, is going to make a world of a difference with how long your wig lasts. So the clip that I have for me plucking the goddamn on closure, my hand is literally in the way, but I am plucking in between the hair. Like, I'm plucking in the front, but then I'm going back, but I'm not parting it. How sometimes you see people part it. I'm not. I'm just moving my tweezer, just moving it back without parting it. Oh my god, that doesn't sound like it makes sense, but I'm trying. And so I'm just gonna pluck a little bit. This is a closure, so I don't like to pluck a lot at all. You guys know I like closures still, and everybody like frontals, but for my clientele, the everyday woman, a full frontal is not like it. You guys can see the difference already, like with the little plucking that I did. And then I'm just gonna comb that excess hair out. But like I was saying, you guys, that is how much hair I have plucked. The everyday woman that I do, maybe a 5x5, you know, they're making 7x7s and 6x6 closures. Those are absolutely great as well. But the whole frontal thing is not for most of my clientele. So I am learning to, really customize my closures. And I like closures still too. So yeah, you guys see how it's like really looking like a hairline in the front. I love that look. Like, you don't have to do a lot for it to look like a hairline at all. Just pluck a little bit and leave it, try it on. But don't overpluck, please. You're gonna get bald spots. I did not bleach this hair, y'all. I did not bleach this closure. It didn't, for me, need it, and for the client, it didn't need to be. Look at the difference in that. You guys see that? There is some good plucking, but not too much though. So I finished plucking both sides of the closure, and I'm going to cut. This part right here I hate, is like a little bit thicker because they have to fold it to get it to be secure. As I'm cutting, I am going zigzag in very short clippings. Oh my god, y'all. And so I cut that excess lace off. I'm gonna proceed to part off some hair for where my client wants her hair to be parted at, and for little bitty baby, oh my god, baby hairs. I really hate saying baby hairs, but just for a little, that little bit of that look. The baby hairs, when I don't bleach the closure, it hides it. It hides the line of the fabric, the lace, a little bit. But I don't do a lot of this, y'all. I promise y'all I don't. Like y'all gonna see in the next clip, it's not gonna be a lot. I like to point cut. I like to slither and point cut the hair. I decided on this side to point cut. It really doesn't matter as long as you get the look that you are wanting. As you guys can see, I'm not doing a straight line. I'm kind of doing a zigzag line. And on this side, I am going to probably slither or point. Like I said, y'all, it don't matter as long as you get your results. But those are, I just showed you guys basically different techniques on how to get your baby hairs. The shorter the better. Long baby hairs, I mean, for what? So that is what I mean. You guys see, you cannot see that lace line anymore because I have molded very slightly the baby hairs to sit on the line. Now I'm using my hot comb. Guys, this is a real hot comb. This is not a plug-in. This is a stove. I use this with a stove. This is a stove hot comb. So this is a comb that goes inside of a stove. Okay? So this is not, you guys can tell, look at that heat. It's totally different, but it works to me way better. To me, the comb doesn't work really good until you get like dark marks on it, like burn marks. I'm just telling you, okay? This is what I like, and the hot comb is very small too, which I like, and it gets the job done. Man, I love my stove and my stove irons and my Marcel irons and my hot comb, y'all. It ain't nothing like it. I don't care what nobody say. I don't use this on real hair, not often, but for my wigs, it come in handy, bruh. Handy. You control the temperature by how long you let it sit in the oven. So, oh my god, y'all, I'm tired. But I gotta get this video off for you guys. So I'm going in on the other side. I'm just doing the same thing, you guys. Going at the root. I'm not taking it all the way completely to the ends of the hair. Just literally getting that root smooth and getting that curl out of it. I'm gonna have to go back in and flat iron, of course. That's what the client asked for, so I'm going to do that. But for now, you guys are gonna see too, like how much of a difference this makes. It makes your wig look so good and flat at the top. So make sure you part it off section by section, get in between the hair, or you will not have a flat surface. See how flat that got? It looks really good. I'm just making sure it's not a thread or anything. I don't know what else going for it there. So now I'm going to go in and start to part off to flat iron. I am using my, I was going to say my Nano, but these are my Paul Mitchell flat irons. I'm going to put it on 420, and I'm going to start sectioning the hair off. You can't see the 420, but I know for a fact I had it on 420. So I one pass, you guys. Even with hair extensions, with real hair at the salon, I say one pass. With hair extensions, I still do one pass. I treat hair extensions like it's real hair. People need, make investments. They want this hair to last. So I go through the hair one pass. And this hair, it is better to chase it with the comb. Sometimes you don't have to, but for this hair, it is, I mean, it's better to do it that way. This hair, you're still going to be left with texture after you flat iron it, but it's not going to be as much. See the difference between that side? You can see all those curls, and the other side that has been flat ironed. I really enjoyed making this wig though. I really did. Look at that hair, guy. Look at that kinky straight. Girl, y'all, stop playing with me. I almost kept this wig. Look at the top of that hair. It's so flat. I did too when I pressed it out. I forgot to tell you guys I used my Care wax stick to flat iron and press out that top and get it real flat. For the baby hairs to lay them down, I've used mousse. And this is the end of the video, guys. I enjoyed this hair. My client loved the hair. And yeah, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in another video. Don't forget to comment and like the video down below. And peace out, guys.